Hello guys, good morning once again. Today we are going to test this 2.5 HP Daikin inverter AC. This came from our friend from Bacoor, Cavite. Now, the story of this is the outdoor board was not working. I check it out and troubleshoot that the problem was the power supply here at the chopper transformer. The switching regulator was not working. When I replace switching regulator, it works. And then I connected the compressor. But the compressor, it did not work continuously. It stops after a few minutes. And troubleshooted again out that the IPM has a problem. So I replaced the IPM. Now we are going to test whether it is working or not. See, now so we'll observe a couple of minutes if it is working very well before we release to our friend from Bacoor, Cavite. See, now fan motor and compressor are working. See, we will wait and we'll test this one a few minutes so that to be sure that is working very fine. So once again guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Until the next video, if you like it, please like it and then please subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.